Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna open a OP-04 Kingdoms of Intrigue One Piece display. It's my first box of this set, haven't opened it yet. Really going for that Boa Hancock or Sabo Manga Rare, hopefully. Mini cut because I forgot to plug in the microphone, so I hope this is better now. So we got a left side and a right side. As we know, left side is the better side. Let me put up some lights. There we go. Alright, first pack, guys. I only have a few cards from the set, which I use for my decks. So let's hope. Sanji Blocker. Alright, this one I got from my yellow Katakuri deck. You're gonna sort the cards, of course. Rare, super rare. Day 3600. No Manga Rare yet. Actually, it's like 500 days. Legit. But maybe this day will come one day. Super Randy back, Miss Valentine and Sugar. Okay, so we start with 2 super rares. Alright. There will be a lot of rare packs, or maybe not. No leader here. And we got the Gang and Cavendish. We also have this Capone Gang dude in my Katakuri deck. Not that really viable today, but got different decks. The app is really good for a Nami blue deck. Spiderweb Kid. Double Gem the Julie Shot, also really good. Playable for sure. The Hanger Dude, also good card for blue Nami deck. Alright, what alternate art? Manga Rare. Ooh, we got the Vivi. Beautiful secret rare. Most of the time, secret rares are not really that valuable, but I think it's an amazing card. Looks good. Beautiful. And I actually love all the alternate arts from One Piece. Just awesome foiling. And when you go with the finger, you can feel the structure of the card. Alright, left side is always the best side. When you go to a shop, ask for a booster from the left side. Legit advice. No empiric study though. Nice Crocodile here. Omen, I think. Okay, I thought that was a third card. Maybe there's a Dawn card. Alright. First secret round. What else can we expect here? Trueno Bastardo. Also got it already as a playset, but having pack fresh version Also good for my collection. Still waiting for the foils, so for the sleeves, so I can continue with the collection stuff. But getting those cards for the collection is also necessary. And we get the nice Sabo, really good. I got this dude as a playset when I started with the Zekatsuki deck. Really strong card, very playable, love it. Cannot KO, super annoying. I'm sure this card will always have a place in a meta. Really good card. Oh, super nice. And we get a Kaido. Bad boy, 10 Don, 12k, very good. On play. Return up to one character with a cost of 8 or less and up to one character with a cost of 3 less. Bonus hand, really good. Not sure if I have seen this in play. I think there's another purple Kaido that is pretty similar. You can trash a 6 or less on play. And he has Rush. So that hurts. I found that wrong. Gun, ulti, and treble. Alright, last two packs from the left side. And we get some alt art. Our leader. Idio was also played for a while. Karos and nothing crazy. Almost halfway through. I'm ready for a banger. There's the Don card. It's not a banger, but also not bad. Got a Ligi. Also got this one already. Not even sure where I got it from. Maybe I traded it. Lever. 5 and Red Rock. Alright, that's for the left side. So we need to get the good stuff from the right side this time. I hope the Vivi is not the only good card in this set, in this box. Bartolomeo and Who's Who. Alright. Collecting some rares as expected. But I also expect something better. At some point we should get an alternate art or something. Hope it's not a shabby alternate art. Iceberg. Ooh, we got something. It's the 4G right in the face. Boy, big fist. Strong. Really good pull. Looks crazy. Love it. It's not my Boa Hancock, but still good. Still very good. I thought there would be another alternate art, but it's the Dawn card. So let's see what the box has for us. Rebecca, Diamante, and Mr. Fox. Is there some hope? Box just arrived today, couldn't wait any longer, had to open it immediately. Chaka and Charlotte Amanda, also really good. Played this in my Katakuri deck. Strong, 2k card, good effect. So is there something else for us? Queen, King, and Rebecca. That's not it. That's not it. So we got already 2 dawns. There can't be anything else in the back that's getting in the way of our alternate art leader. So if we see that, red card break, really good. But we haven't. Zorro and Senor. Zorro is always a cool card. Also not bad. 5 down for 6k. On play. Weaken an opponent's character. The hanger guy. Cavendish. No red. Always sad. Maybe something else. Spiderweb and Holy. Big Mama. Redback. Not a redback, but I think this was an alternate art. Am I crazy? I hope it is. Let's go fast. Gotta go fast. Fast as fuck, boy. Frankie. Crocodile. That's not an alternate art, but still good. Perez. Need those. Need those. Last 3 packs. Wish me luck, guys. 1 more alternate art. Something big. Boa Hancock. Waifu would be the best. Of course, after Sabo Manga Rare, but I don't really expect to pull Manga Rare, to be honest. Rarity is so ridiculous. We got Ulti and Diamond. Last 2. Karu. Back to Alabaster. Rebecca and Sugar. Another Sugar is. Give me something else. But still cute. Thank you very much. Maybe a banger in the last pack. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Let's find out. Please don't disappoint me. Oops, nice perk. Come back. That's Valentine. And Miss All Sunday. Fortunately not the alternate art, but we don't have her yet, so still good pull. Yeah, these 2 are amazing. Wish there would be more alternate arts in the box. I'm not sure what the rarities are, how many you can pull, but those are crazy good. Definitely happy to have those in my collection. Alright, let me know what you think about this opening. Audio quality, video, cutting. I don't know. Just leave me a comment, say what I could improve on, and what do you think. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Peace.